नमस्कार प्रेक्षको, सी न्यूज पुणे वृत्तदर्शन मध्ये स्वागत। आज ज्येष्ठ चतुर्थी विनायकी चतुर्थी 30 मे शुक्रवार पुणे वृत्तदर्शन मधून मी संपादक डॉक्टर शैलेश गुजर। पुण्यातील एनडीए नॅशनल डिफेन्स अकॅडमी मध्ये महिलांचा समावेश झाला आणि महिलांची पहिली तुकडी जी वायुदल, सैन्यदल आणि पाणदलामध्ये नैविक जीवनामध्ये ज्या काम करणार आहेत अशा तीनही दलांमध्ये काम करणाऱ्या मुली आज दीक्षांत घेऊन बाहेर पडल्या। आजचा हा क्षण इतिहासाची नोंद करणारा ठरणार आहे। तेव्हा तुम्ही आम्ही सर्वजण जाऊयात एनडीए मध्ये या दीक्षांत समारोहात जिथे महिलांचा सन्मान।
When we'll pass out, I'll also pass through Antim Pag, and then I'll stand with my parents in front of Sudan before joining this very building. Used to be my motivation, and now I stand before it, and it is just amazing to be an ex-NDA.
ये कैसे बन गए? I mean, आप
Sir.
कैसे हो गए कि वो डिफेंस में जाएगी और
Please share about your journey. How did you started? When you decided to come to the NDA?
Okay, so I had extremely iota of idea regarding NDA because there is no one from defense background in my family. When I joined, it was all new. It was like every day was a new box of surprises. Every day something new. Every day learning. And then 3 years, it's a long process. Yes, sometimes some days will be low, some days will be high. There have always been my course mates to support me, instructors, officers, subs, everyone who has always supported me. It was just an amazing experience if I look back.
How was your experience with your postmates, your counterparts, male counterparts?
Everyone is good. Initially we had differences, but then with training we started feeling that sense of commonness, oneness, and I feel I've got best friends for life. I feel here that the friends I've made here, they're gonna be there for life.
What would you watch to your juniors?
They're amazing. They're just amazing. I've seen, like, we do not find such bond with juniors in our schools or somewhere, but here they look up to you. They'll come to you, they'll inspire you, you learn from your juniors, you teach them, and it is just, this learning process is an amazing process.
It is that the journey has just begun and I have a lot to achieve, a lot to accomplish. That is the feeling, and obviously to a completion of 3 years, that's a proud feeling. My father is satisfied, my parents are satisfied. My mother couldn't come, but she's also happy.
Ashimda, you have just become an inspiration for many girls. Take us to your journey, how you came to your mind to go to the NDA, and of course there's some process that was followed, but when did you decide to join NDA and armed forces?
I was actually preparing for JEE Mains, and then NDA came in between as a blessing, and then I went for it, and here I am. This is what I went through before joining.
How you started, like from where you started?
It came as a shock because it came as a surprise that NDA, it was not open for us, and out of sudden it was open. I was preparing for JEE Main, and then I was told by one of my friend that NDA is open for females as well. Then I was like, let me just give it a try because I was planning to give CDS after my graduation.
What was the best part in these last 3 years?
This best part is meeting these 17 female cadets. These are my NDA.
And how your experience with the male counterparts?
They are amazing. They are so supportive. They don't have anything against. They are very supportive, and there's nothing male cadets, female cadets. I'm just pronouncing it wrong here. They're all cadets, and they're great.
Okay, my last question. Anything you want to share or tell to your juniors, the upcoming, ladies who will come?
Don't be afraid of anything. Don't be afraid of anything. You can do whatever you eye for. Everything is possible. Just go for it. Believe in yourself and go for it. Everything is possible.
Thank you.
अहो उठा ना, ऑफिसला नाही का जायचं?
अगं मला आज फ्रेशच वाटत नाही, काही करायची इच्छाच नाही.
अहो मग तुम्ही आजपासूनच न्यू युनायटेड फार्मसीचे गुड मॉर्निंग चूर्ण घेणं सुरू करा. अपचन, मलावरोध, बद्धकोष्ठ, आम्लपित्त आणि पोटाच्या तक्रारींवर खात्रीशीर आयुर्वेदिक उपाय. गुड मॉर्निंग चूर्ण.
35 वर्षांपासून सगळ्यांच्या पसंतीचे गुड मॉर्निंग चूर्ण
औषधांच्या प्रत्येक दुकानात मिळते.
आज विनायकी चतुर्थी पुण्यातल्या दगडूशेठ हलवाई गणपतीमध्ये शेषनागाची आवृत्ती त्या ठिकाणी प्रदर्शित करण्यात आली आणि गणपती मंदिरात या प्रतिकृतीला हजारो लाखो भाविकांनी आज भेट दिली. तेव्हा तुम्हाला आपण आता दर्शन घडवतोय दगडूशेठ हलवाई गणपती विनायकी चतुर्थी निमित्त शेषनाग.
अंगठीच्या खाली दाबा, अंगठ्यापाशी फक्त खाली दाबा, बाकी व्यवस्थित. सोडा सोडा सोडा.
प्रेक्षको, व्यंकटेश चपळगावकर पुण्यातील नव्हे तर महाराष्ट्रातील डिजिटल मीडिया, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया क्षेत्रातील एक नामवंत पत्रकार. त्यांचं अपघाती निधन झालं. त्यांच्या स्मृतीप्रित्यर्थ मित्रांनी एकत्र येऊन फ्रेंड्स ऑफ व्यंकटेश या संस्थेच्या मार्फत दरवर्षी त्याच्या स्मृतिदिनानिमित्त एक व्याख्यान आयोजित केलं जातं. आज भारतातील माध्यमातील समकालीन दुभंग होय ना, दचकलात होय, दुभंग या विषयावरती बोलतायत धन्या राजेंद्रन, सहसंस्थापक द न्यूज मिनिट याच्या संपादिका. जाणून घेऊयात आपण भारतीय माध्यमातला समकालीन दुभंग.
I have my connection with, right? People have been shaming them. All of us have been shaming them. And I hope that will continue. Even when they are communal, we have to keep shaming them, or there is absolutely no solution to this. Now, the next is the ownership divide in India. This is again something that we are all very familiar with. We have media in India which is either privately owned. We have media in India which is government owned. But then there's a very dangerous category which is covertly owned. We don't actually know who owns a particular channel or newspaper, but there is funding from someone who remains very covert. So there are three things. So when I started my work in Chennai, it was very clear that Sun TV, which was the Tamil news channel, was with the DMK. It is a DMK owned news channel, and Jaya TV is it's there in the name itself. It is Jayalalitha's television, right? So when you watch Sun TV, there's a wall which has fallen down. When you watch Sun TV, they will tell you it is Jayalalitha's fault. When you watch Jaya TV, they will tell you it is DMK's fault. Now we are very clear. So you have to use your intelligence to understand, did this wall really fall down because of their fault or their fault? At least they are being truthful in their ownership. So we as a viewer can then take everything with a pinch of salt, right? So political parties owning news channels or news media is not new in India. We are seeing that in every state.
नमस्कार प्रेक्षको, सी न्यूज पुणे वृत्तदर्शनमध्ये आपले स्वागत. पुण्यातील वेगवेगळ्या घटना या जगात देशात सर्वप्रथम घडतात, तसाच त्याला NDA हा सुद्धा अपवाद नाही. 17 महिला कॅन्डिडेट यांनी नॅशनल डिफेन्स अकॅडमीमध्ये वायुदल, सैन्यदल आणि नाविक दल या तिघांमध्ये मिळून 17 विद्यार्थिनी यांनी NDAची प्रवेश मिळवला, पात्रता झाल्या आणि त्या दीक्षांत समारंभाला सामोऱ्याही गेल्या. आता भारतीय सैनिकांमध्ये 75 वर्षानंतर, स्वातंत्र्यानंतर ही घटना घडतीये आणि तीही पुण्यातल्या NDAमध्ये. ही अभिमानाची गोष्ट नव्हे काय पुणेकर म्हणून? तेव्हा आपण या सर्व महिलांचं अभिनंदन तर करूयात, पण देशामध्ये ज्यावेळेला ऑपरेशन सिंदूर झालं त्यावेळेला सुद्धा ती जबाबदारी 2 महिलांना देण्याची घटना घडली ही महत्त्वाची आहे. पोलीस दलामध्ये महिलांचा समावेश हा देखील करणारं महाराष्ट्र राज्य पहिलं होतं. पुणे महापालिकेमध्ये तृतीयपंथीयांना नोकरी देणारं आणि ते सुद्धा वॉचमनची नोकरी देणारं देशातलं पहिलं गाव म्हणजे पुणे शहर. तेव्हा पुणे शहरात जे जे काही घडतं तेही पहिलंच. आणि हो, देशामध्ये व्हिडिओ इव्हिनिंगर ज्या काळी फक्त दूरदर्शनच्या बातम्या होत्या त्यावेळेला देशातलं पहिलं व्हिडिओ इव्हिनिंगर दररोज रात्री केबलच्या माध्यमातून डिजिटली तुमच्यापर्यंत पोहोचवणारं म्हणजे तुम्ही आत्ता पाहत असलेला पुणे वृत्तदर्शन. 30 वर्षापूर्वीचा हा प्रयोग आज जगामध्ये पॉडकास्ट अनेक गोष्टींनी हे डिजिटल माध्यम गाजतंय, पण आम्ही त्याच्यात अग्रेसर. पाहत राहा पुणे वृत्तदर्शन, देशातलं पहिलं व्हिडिओ इव्हिनिंगर.